G'day, it's Chris, and well, this is Ashley, and today we're going to be installing the Moonlinks Sunshade UV sun thingy over the Tesla Model 3.
Amazon has come through and delivered for us, so it should be good for a nice Australian summer.
Let's do this.
Yeah, let's get it done.
Well, that was amazingly fast. Like, honestly, what did you think, Ash?
Yeah, we got it done in quite a few minutes, and all we got to do is next time just know that you put the sunshade in before you put the clips in, and that's it. That was nice and easy once we knew that.
Yeah. In previous videos, you know that we've actually watched the videos first, but you know what? This thing is so simple. I give this like an easy 1 star out of 5, where 1 star is probably the easiest thing you could do in the whole wide world. And the result is that, well, that sun is no longer coming through the roof. And Australian summers, they can get crazy hot. And well, all that glass on the Model 3 roof, I think this is actually a great little purchase.
The only downside we've had with it was when we're sitting in the back seat, we noticed that it was touching our heads, and we're both a little bit taller than normal. So.
Yeah. But the front, I thought the front was great, didn't you?
Yeah, the front was very, very nice. Though I'm going to say that we just did a trip up to Queensland and back in the hot sun, and didn't actually feel like we needed it. So I'd say it's a pleasure to have, not a must-have.
Gotcha. All right, so for up-to-date pricing and an affiliate link that actually helps out this channel, please look down below. And look, don't forget to support Ash. If you're on the market for a Tesla Model S, X or 3, please use his referral code and yeah, get yourself 1,500 kilometers of free supercharging. Ash, thanks for coming on.
No problems, Chris. Thank you for having me.
All right, cheers. Be good.
Be green.
Hey.